My name's Trevor Schwartz. I'm an ag business major and I'm from Wall, Texas. I came to Angelo State because both my brothers and my dad graduated from here. Another major factor in my decision was the car scholarship. I'm involved in various student organizations through the ag department, and I have had the opportunity to be a part of the meats judging team and wool judging team. My favorite part about ASU is the 7,000 acre ranch operated mainly by students. Most of my labs are here out at the ranch. One of the many things we do is check the animals and to maintain good rangelands so the animals have proper forage to graze. When I graduate, I plan on applying to grad school here at ASU. Another reason I chose here was because I could still continue to run my produce business and attend college. I chose Angelo State because of the car scholarship and I could graduate debt-free.